So today I'm going to talk about a phone card holder. I've been looking for one that it would work for my car. I've tried so many different ones and I'm so scared that it won't hold. So I was actually looking for one that would go on top, so that way if I have to answer the phone I can look right away who it is, or following the GPS is great. So I just ordered one and it's called Xiaomi. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I guess this is the part that would go into the card that will hold. It looks like a big sticky part, which I'm glad. I hope it holds. Okay, so we have the phone holder, okay, the vent clip, so I guess you can put in a vent too if you want. And then number 3 is the dashboard pad. Oh, okay, so you stick this onto the dashboard. Oh, I think it's definitely gonna work. So you stick this in the dashboard, and then this part here will stick to that. That's what I've been looking for. Something really strong, and this seems like it's gonna be it. Let's see. All right, those are the 3 pieces. Simple enough, I can put that together. I don't need any instruction for that. I think I got it. So here's the phone holder. Let's see how this works. Ooh. All right, so I guess if you're putting it like this, and you just close it, and you can still charge it while it's on the thing. You see that? And how about, oh, okay, and then if you wanted to, you can use it like this, and if you want to use sideways, you just turn it. Got it, perfect. Okay, and then you just clip it again, and it comes right off. Okay, then there's the vent clip. Here's the vent clip. You can see. This will go on this part right here, if you put in a vent. But then the other part, the dashboard pad. So I guess once you put this into the dashboard, you peel it out. Okay, there you go. You just pull this out. Right here, I don't want to pull it out yet because I want to wait until I get to the car. You just pull that out. I guess I pull it too hard. And then this, you stick it to the dashboard, and then this is where this sticky, the powerful suction cup, will go to. And then you can put it there like that. I think this is gonna be it finally. All right, so yeah, I think this is really gonna work for my car. But let's try out my car, let's go. All right, so this is the part that it clips on. So let's go ahead and on the dashboard. All right, so what did you guys think? I love it. It's a definitely yes for me. Drop the comments below. What do you think about it? It's a great gift. It's definitely, if I needed another one for a different car, I'm getting the same one. It's definitely a winner for me. If there's any other videos you would like to for me to make for you guys with different products, just drop the comment below. I'll see what I can do to get the product and do a review for you before you get it. And if this is the product that you were looking for, I'm going to put the description below. I bought this in the Amazon, but go ahead in the description below. That way you get exactly the same one that I got. I absolutely love it.
And like always, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, give me a like, comment, and share with your friends. See you in the next video.